The desire to found a new Institute of Infectious Disease in Parkville started from the fact that we realised we had enormous strength in that area associated with the university and in the general area of the Grattan Street, Flemington Road campus. We celebrated the 10th anniversary of the Institute, moving into the Institute in 2024. And that was a very significant celebration because 5 years into our existence, COVID hit right at the end of 2019. And we were an unknown institute, new, brought together some quite well-known partners, but not as a synergy. And we came together spectacularly because we had all the expertise that was needed to handle COVID. We had the diagnostic expertise. Our diagnosticians in Vidral were the first people to isolate the virus outside China, and they were the first people to distribute it to other laboratories worldwide. Research institutes, in my mind, and universities don't work well unless they're very collegial. Unless people talk to each other, they interact with each other, there's free interaction. There's freedom of interaction between the junior people, because that's where a lot of the innovation actually happens, when bright young people start to talk to each other, start to interact and start to do experiments together. So the collegiality is a major feature of this institute. Where's it going in the next 10 years? Well, a lot of things. We know a lot of the basics, we're getting much better at it. But there's a tremendous amount of application, particularly into human systems from mouse models and so forth, that needs to be done. Where the real innovation comes is from something we don't think about. Any good scientist is always on the lookout for the unexpected, the different result, the one they don't expect to get. That's where the big breakthroughs come. Breakthroughs in science come from seeing something different and realizing it and going after it. And they come from bringing people together with different training from different fields in different scientific subcultures to work on the same problem.